guys, so for today's video guys, bumili po ako ng accessories dito sa aking Stanley. Stanley Purple, regalo ni Madam Bishi Berna Vlog. Thank you so much, Madam. Kasi daw kailangan ko ng mga water talaga. Kailangan ko ng water para hindi ako ma-high blood sa aking live. Actually guys, may sakit ako ngayon. And today is my birthday talaga. Today talaga is my birthday guys, April 29. So, haggard na haggard ako. Kailangan ko na tong i-unboxing at excited ako dito. So, in-order ito namin kahapon guys sa Amazon. Yes. For more accessories for this. Actually, mayroon silang mga bag. Kaso ayaw ko naman, hindi ko naman to dadalhin. Ito lang to sa bahay habang nagla-live ako. So, this is guys the protection para hindi siya mabilis matumba, no? And look at this, it's a letter D. Still again, this is my birthday gift guys for Kitty Pie. You know guys, my birthday gift is for 1 week. 1 week talaga. So ito guys, dito yan sa ano, sa what's this? Dito yan sa, yeah, here. To cover like this and like this. Yeah, so it's like this, yeah. See, it's purple and this letter D. See guys, look at now the design. Ang ganda. Thank you again, Madam Berna, for my birthday gift. See, it's letter D. I think I will put. Kitty Pie, can you help me where I put this one?
No, it has been handy.
Here? It must be here daw, this one guys, like this. Yeah, it's a purple with my bottrap purple. Ito na guys, see, look at the letter D and see, and of course